Hello guys, welcome to my tech world. Hope you are doing well. Okay, let's go for latest video.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding.
The IQOO operates as a sub-brand of Vivo in China, while it is debuted in India as an independent brand. In March 2019, world's second-largest smartphone manufacturer BBK Electronics announced IQOO as a sub-brand of Vivo as its newest member to its smartphone brand lineup alongside with Oppo, Vivo, Realme and OnePlus, and introduced in India in February 2020 as an independent smartphone. The IQOO is also a performance-focused sub-brand, giving more importance to build and market their phones specifically for gaming and other performance-intense tasks, rather than their Vivo phones focusing mainly on camera and sound quality. The smartphone IQOO 3 introduced on February 25, 2020 is their first smartphone with Snapdragon 865, giving a competitive advantage for the gamers. The smartphones are sold online initially. The company has an office in Bangalore and the smartphones sold in India are manufactured in the facilities of Vivo. Later during the period 2020 to 2021, the IQOO has introduced 6 smartphones in Chinese market and 1 smartphone in the Indian market as of February 2021. IQOO is one of those brands that have earned fame for gaming-oriented smartphones. That too in a short span. After several months of anticipation, the company has brought the flagship IQOO 7 series in India and has introduced the IQOO 7 Legend alongside the standard variant. The IQOO 7 brings in subtle amount of hardware changes compared to the IQOO 7 Legend. The unit has been announced starting at 31,990 rupees with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. The 8GB RAM/256GB variant is priced at 33,990 rupees, while the top variant with 12GB RAM will be available for 35,990 rupees. It is available in 3 color options. We have received the device and are sharing the initial impressions.
You're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that?
The IQOO 7 employs a massive 6.62-inch AMOLED display, which delivers an enhanced visual experience owing to an FHD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The higher 120Hz refresh rate is what allows for a smoother frame transition. The panel delivers a punchy output with balanced color saturation and brightness levels. The panel is also HDR10 Plus certified, that allows it to stream 1080p videos on OTT platforms. There is a built-in eye protection mode that refrains your eyes from staring with a continuous glance at the screen. The gaming visuals have also been a treat with the 120Hz FHD Plus panel. The IQOO 7 has a triple lens rear camera setup housing a 48MP main lens. The primary Sony IMX589 sensor gets accompanied by a 13MP wide-angle camera that has a 120-degree f/5 and a 2MP mono sensor. The camera performance has been fair with the default 12MP pixel bin shots capturing sufficient details. The dedicated 48MP camera mode comes in handy to zoom out and crop an image without compromising the details. Other shooting modes include slow-motion videos, panorama, long exposures, R stickers, and double exposure mode. The camera app also integrates a dedicated night mode for the low-light shots. Speaking of the selfie camera, the device packs a 16MP snapper for the same with an f/2.0 aperture. This massive selfie camera sensor clicks some good self-portraits. Another highlight feature that grabs the attention here is the 66 watts flash charge technology. The smartphone is packed with a 4,400 mAh battery to keep the lights on. While a bigger battery would have made sense considering it to be a gaming handset, the faster charging speeds make up for it. We were able to get over 6 hours of backup with extensive use and a little charge remaining end of day.
Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe.
The appeal overall is subtle with this design and the vertical camera module housing 3 cameras followed by the IQOO branding. While the back panel picks up a minimum of fingerprints, it isn't entirely smudge-proof. You will notice the back panel collecting dust and fingerprints after a while if no case or a cover is being used. The IQOO 7 has all the necessary features that make it a true value flagship device. The IQOO 7 comes with an onboard storage capacity of 128GB. While this is more than enough to store daily use files, however, there is expandable microSD support as well. The device comes void of a 3-way dedicated microSD slot. This is one of the biggest drawbacks of this device. If only the device offered a dedicated microSD slot, It would have been a perfect deal. This device has no lags throughout during extensive gameplay with the highest settings. Multitasking has been swift overall. This is a complete package in the value flagship device. This device has powerful manufacture for gameplay. So I think this device will be your lifetime game partner. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please do like and subscribe as you like most. Thank you for watching. Goodbye everyone.